Today we're featuring our new stand-on mower. This is the new machine that we just come out with this year. It's been in testing for 3 years, and it's been a really big hit here at the show. We have gone with we have introduced the 52-inch deck and also the 61-inch deck. And we are featuring the Vanguard 26 horsepower on both models. And we have gone to one platform for the engine and the deck, which just keeps our belt in line. So that has allowed us to go to a serpentine belt. We have 9-gallon fuel capacity, adjustable platform on the rear, and probably the nicest feature on this is our transmission. This is the same transmission that we're using in our out front machine that we've been using for years. It's a one-piece transmission, which is 2 hydro gear pumps and wheel motor, so we have a pump and wheel motor drive system. And probably our best feature on this machine is our tower platform. As you know, we're not all the same size. So now you can even have your kids drive this thing now. We started developing this machine probably 6 years ago, and we've had it in testing for the last 3 years. And we've just now brought it to market. All of our reps have their demos out now, and some of the dealers have sold a few. So it's been a soft launch, soft advertising, but by spring we think we'll be ready.